Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about a very quick recipe, that is how to make coriander powder. It is not the coriander seed powder, it is coriander leaves powder, and this is a way to preserve coriander for long time. Coriander is a very important part of Indian cooking, and we often use it for making chutney, or we garnish our food and curry with coriander leaves. As I was in India, we used to get coriander for free, and when we used to buy vegetables from vegetable vendors. And in Germany, we never had such kind of luxury. In fact, in comparison to India, coriander is very expensive here. So now let's learn how we can preserve coriander and use it in many ways. So you see here in this picture, I reported a coriander plant pot in a bigger pot, and now I can harvest coriander every day and anytime I want, and it is very fresh and very tasty. And the quality of the coriander leaves that I got from the railway and VMART is changed completely, because the coriander that is grown in supermarkets is usually grown hydroponically, so it is very watery in taste. But when you replant it, it changes its aroma completely. I am right now planning to create a video regarding this method, but you have to wait a bit, because I have so many topics to make videos, and I have so much content right now. So you wait a bit, but if you want to know the details, I uploaded a video in summer, in which I reported other herbs like basil and parsley and such kind of herbs. And I will put the thumbnail in the video and the link in the description. You can check that out, and you can try the same procedure for coriander. So here is the coriander leaf powder, and you can use it for making chutneys, and also you can add it in the dry snacks. It will give you a very nice taste if you add that to matri and other kind of dry snacks. And I sprinkle it on the chips. I also created mint leaves powder by the same procedure, and it looks like it gives a very nice taste, like uncle chips and kind of taste to the chips. And when I cannot access the fresh coriander leaves, I use that to garnish my dal and curries. And you just have to sprinkle that, and it will taste just like the fresh coriander. A bit milder, but it will do. So you get coriander leaves in almost every German grocery store, even in Aldi, Lidl, and Netto. You can get the fresh coriander leaves, but they are very expensive in comparison to the Indian store or Arabian store coriander. So you can try that one if you want to make and store these leaves. So you see these coriander leaves come in such kind of polythene, and the problem is that water get condensed in the polythene, and whenever it come in contact with the coriander leaves, it starts to get rotten. So, if you want to store your coriander leaf for a longer time, what you should do is you should take them out of this polythene and spread it on a paper or a cloth, and then tap a bit with a paper towel, and then this water will be removed. And after that, you can wrap it in a paper and then store it. If it keep on in contact with the polythene, then that you see it get rotten. So this is what I did. I washed the coriander leaves and spread it on a kitchen towel, and then I let it dry for 2 more days. After 2 days, it reduced in so much in quantity, and I grind it using a normal mixer grinder. And grind it, and it was ready. So now I use this powder very frequently. So that's all for today, and we will meet again with a new topic and a new video. Until then, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also click the bell icon so that you don't miss any update from me. Also, don't forget to like my videos, and if possible, please share with your friends and family. We will meet again. Bye bye. Bis später.